Okay, so here are some of the artists and companies that I think have same face syndrome. Like you can see every face over here is the same, even if that character is wearing a different clothing or has a different hairstyle. Even IPs like Genshin, which I mentioned before, has same faces everywhere. Even Disney has the same face here. Disney, what are you doing? I did not expect that from you, man. Come on, Disney, you can be better than this. Come on, artists, you can be better than this. Come on, please draw better than that. Make better draw better faces than this.